Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my channel. I've got brand new Papercraft Essentials issue 218 with a free gift which I'm going to unbox together with you guys. But first I want to show you the magazine because there are a few beautiful inspirations, and I went through this magazine already and I thought, okay, let's share some of the projects. The ones which I like the most, let me show you, is this one. I really love this one from Creative Expressions stamp set. I love this bunny and I think it's really cute, so I will have a look if I can get that one somewhere. What else I can show you which was really nice? I love this project. I love the simplicity of this project and how to use the color wheel. If you are not sure how to use it, then that's a page for you as well. What else? I'm sorry, my voice is still a bit off, but yeah, I wanted to show you this magazine. And a pillow box from Die Cutting Essentials issue number 96. So they show this one, which should be released pretty soon, or it is actually released now. I don't have this magazine yet. What else? Marta Stębicka's projects. On this, I've got this die set from Crafter's Companion and I really loved this project. Different looking, and I like how she used the die cuts to create this DL card, so I really like this project as well. And what else? And this one as well from Lisa Horton. I really love this one. This is a cut and emboss folder, and I like the shape of that and the simplicity and the color palette of that card. So I think that was it. And that front cover project with the shaker card kit, which is for this magazine. So let me show you. So again, Papercraft Essentials issue 218, if you want to have it. It's out right now, so I'm going to link that below the video as well. I will link it to Craft Stash. So as you can see, this one is Festive Shaker Card Kit. This is collaboration with Craft Stash. So let me show you. I did not look inside, so I did not even take it out. So let's see if I can. Okay, yeah, it's done. It's out. So let me put the magazine away. And it says that we're going to receive 85 fold die cut toppers, 137 die cut toppers, 6 pattern papers, 3 times circle shaker domes, and 3 square shaker domes, and acetate and glitter. So you've got everything to for you to use for the shaker cards. And once I show you this this kit, I will show you some of my projects. I think I will just do first one, and then I will do more. So of course you have to release those, and you can still use that paper and those toppers. We've got 1, we've got 2, and we've got those square ones. So we've got the glitter sequins as well to go with your shaker cards. I love making shaker cards, and I think they are a fantastic way to give someone something really special. Okay, I will do it later because it's going to be long again. So we've got the silver sequins and silver glitter. You can still use that paper. It's single-sided paper. Oh wow, and I can already see, let me put this so you can still see it. We've got the acetate sheet, 1 sheet, and I think it should go this way. We've got the sentiments die cuts, and not only sentiments, you can still use those panels. So let it snow, believe in the magic of Christmas, season's greetings, Merry Christmas again, winter wishes, peace, love, joy, Merry Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Celebrate the season twice on different backgrounds. Let it snow. And you can see those beautiful snow globes. Everything is foiled, so you can see that it's really nice, shiny and sparkly, very festive. Oh, I love those. These pieces, these die cuts, you're going to put at the back of your domes, and that's for the squares. And you can push those snowflakes as well, and those cute ones, really pretty. Hope you can see everything. So you can, by looking at it, you can actually see if you like it or not. And then I'm sure you can do quite a lot of cards with that kit. I will try to use the full kit to see, because I don't have that many Christmas cards. You've got this one, you've got the red snowflakes, this gingham, and this darker shade, and the stripy one. So we've got 2, 4, 6 A4 card, and this is not very thin paper, and I like it because it will hold the weight, and those die cuts. So again, I will show you briefly. 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of die cuts, plus those bits and pieces to do a shaker card. So I will prepare my card, my idea, I will think about it, and I will come back to add that little bit video at the end. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I prepared some of the elements for my card. So, and I'm using only the shaker card kit from the magazine. Plus I found this mirror card, matte mirror card in my stash, which I'm using as the first layer, and I added another one to this red paper. So let me put it together. My card base is 5 3/4 of the inch square, which I make myself because I'm using this multi-purpose card from Crafter's Companion, which I'm going to link below the video if you want to use the same one. So let me put the card together. It's very easy to use, and I found those paper really pretty, so I hope you will like this kit as well. I will try to use the kit fully, so I can see and I can share with you how many cards I will be able to make with that kit. So let me see. Then I'm putting that red with white polka dots, and on the top I decided to use 3 layers to build up my card, so it will be looking really nice and pretty. And this with the snowflakes. I love the color palette of that kit very much, and it was a little bit hard to pick up which elements I want to use on my cards, because there is such a massive choice that it's not easy, and I do always struggle with that. Which one should I use? But I decided to go with this red, and this one is kind of blue grayish color. I hope you can see the colors well enough. So okay, this one goes in the center, and what I do with my mats and layers, I always decrease next layer by 5 millimeters, or a quarter of the inch. So that's what I do. And I die cut another circle of that acetate, which we've got in the kit. We've got one sheet of A4, so this one will help me. And I decided to use this circle, so let me show you how am I going to build that snow globe. It will go this way. because that circle is quite not as big as that shaker element, so I decided to secure it with another layer of the acetate. I hope it makes sense. I just do it for the security, just to make sure that everything is, will be secured and my sequins will not escape my shaker card. So I was thinking to use this house, so I'm going to glue it at the bottom of that snowy scene. And I'm thinking to add those snowflakes as well. So it's so easy to use those. You just push it out. And I think I'm going to use, let's see how the big one will look like on this one. Yeah, I think 2 will be enough. Let's see if I want another one. I'm just positioning them to see how I like them to look. Yeah, I will stick with 2. And let me see. Yes, I like it. You can add more if you want. So let me know, what do you think about this magazine? Do you have it already? Or are you still waiting for your subscription? Or maybe you're actually going to buy, I think I've got too much glue. I need to make sure that my sequins will not stick to that snowflake. So do you have a subscription of that magazine, or maybe you actually see if you like the magazine and then you decide if you want to have it or not? What do you do? And now I'm going to glue it to my acetate disc circle. And this is really important to make sure that everything is dry before you actually put your sequins in. And I will use the sequins which are included in the kit only. Maybe I was actually thinking I'd remove those. I've got this mixture of different sequins which would suit. Maybe I will just put those few, this more holographic ones. And let me see if it's enough. I hope not, I'm not going to lose any of them. Okay, let's see. Or maybe it's a bit too much. Yeah, I think I will remove a few. Because this way we will probably not be able to see any of that beautiful scene. So let me try again. So that's how I do it. I just see if I like it or not. Still, I think it's a bit much. Okay, I will pick only those few. And that's it. Okay. So now I need to glue this part. And I hope it will work for me, because I'm using, see, next time when I will be working with that kit, I will do the shaker first, because it takes a bit longer for everything to dry, and you don't want to turn it around before the glue will dry completely, because then we're risking that the sequins will stick to the glue. Okay, I need some 3D foam pads. Do I have them handy? Yeah. Oh, and everything is falling down. Sorry about that. Okay. Just need a little bit to raise that sentiment. These are my favorite scissors from Crafter's Companion, and they are perfect if you want to cut your tape or 3D foam pads. It sticks a little bit, but it's better, I think, to me personally, slightly better than the ones from Tim Holtz. Okay, so I'm going to put the sentiment, and let's see if the shaker card is ready. Yep, looks good. So again, we need to apply the glue on this side. And then make sure that your house is straight, and then you line everything. Yeah, look at this. Looks so good. I love shaker cards. Do you like shaker cards? What do you think about this kit? Yeah. Yes, and what I will do with this one, I wanted to resist, but I going to add some foam pads at the back of that as well, because I like my cards to be dimensional. I like them to be raised, and I usually send my cards in the boxes anyway, so that's why I am putting a lot of foam pads on my cards. Okay, and the card is almost ready. Very quick way to create nice cards when you've got a kit which works so well. All the colors works very well together, and you just sit down and oh no, it's okay. You just sit down and just play with the kit. See, I'm sticking to it. Okay, let me put my cards straight so I can put this one, align it together. Okay, that's good. So that's my card. I'm thinking to add maybe some snowflakes here and there on that top white card, and I think I will do it as well. I'm going to put one here, one there, and I'm going to use more of those here at the bottom, because why not? We've got so many of them in that kit that we don't have to save them for anything else. Or maybe I shall put one on the top here as well. Okay, I will think about it a bit more, and then maybe I will add extra snowflakes off camera. So let me know, what do you think about this card? And do you have this magazine? Are you still waiting for yours? So this one is the card, shaker card kit from Papercraft Essential, issue 218. So let me know if you like this card, and what do you think about this magazine and the craft kit. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.